Hello everyone, we are Team GoSpy and I am Shantanu and with me is my teammate Samir. For the Intel AI Hackathon, we have built an AI meeting assistant designed to automate one of the most repetitive and time consuming tasks, post-processing documentation, from summarizing the discussion to extracting the action items and enabling instant question and answer. Our solution transforms how team handles the meeting knowledge. So before we jump into the demo, let's quickly walk through the tech behind this solution. So our base application is powered by the OPEA platform. We are using the several microservices like LLM text generation microservice, retriever microservice, data prep microservice, embedding microservice. In the future integration, we are also plan to integrate ASR microservice and document summary microservice. Our tech stack includes fast API for the backend, and for the front end, we are using the React, and for the databases, we are using PostgreSQL and Redis. Now let's log into the application and I will walk you through the flow. So this is our login page. So I have already created an account. So let me quickly log in. So this is the home page, how it looks like, and we can change the theme from here. So let's change the theme to the lighter theme. So let's go to the calendar section where we can create and manage the meetings. So this is the calendar, and from this create meeting you can add the new meeting. So let's create a meeting. So I will be adding the weekly sync up meeting. So let's add the meeting name, the date, add some description about the meeting and participant name. So once you have filled all the details, let's click on the create meeting. So as you can see, on the today's date our meeting has been created. So let's open this meeting so that we can view our details, and from here itself you can add the meeting artifact. So meeting artifact can be anything. It can be a transcript exported from the Google Meet or a Microsoft Teams, or it can be a audio video file like mp3, wav, mp4. So let's upload a video file for now. So the file has been uploading currently, so it will take some time to upload that file, and I have uploaded that weekly sync up meeting file. Let's move on to the library section. So as you can see that the meeting that we have been created, let's open this meeting. So as you can see, this is the video that we have been uploaded previously, so you can play this video, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the four section. Let me go through them one by one. So the first one is the transcript. So since we have uploaded a video, the system has automatically transcribed it using the ASR, automatic speech recognition, and this is converted into the text. So this makes the entire conversation searchable and structured for the analysis. As you can see, whole the transcript has been here. So going to the next feature, that is summary. Here you will see an AI generated summary for the meeting. So the motivation, so before opening this meeting, let me tell you the motivation behind building this feature was like, writing manual summaries is a time consuming and often inconsistent. With one click, this feature offers a clear overview and saving the time and ensuring that everyone gets on the same context instantly. So let's open. So as you can see, you have get the short summary for the meeting. Like it is saying a lot of the students are skipping on the Fridays. I hear some of the my mentees talking about how it really hard to get out of the bed on the Friday. So like it was so like they are were talking about the Friday, and they were also talking about the John. Like I talked to the John today, and we really stressed out. He has been dealing with helping his parents and all the things. Going to the next feature. So our next feature is the meetings of minute, and our motivation behind creating the meetings of minute is Meetings of minute creation is one of the most tedious and post meeting task. Our assistant extract key action points and decision ready to be shared with your client or team. This improves the productivity, reduces the risk of the missed task, and standardized documentation across the team. So let's open this meetings of minute. So as you can see in the meetings of minute, you have get the short summary, and then you can see the decisions that were made during the meeting, like implement a weekly pancake breakfast on the Fridays to encourage students attendance, like that. And apart from the decision, you can see the action items. So yeah, these are the action items, and these are some additional notes. Several students have been showing signs of sickness due to the cold weather. So let's move to the next feature. So our next feature is sentiment analysis. So motivation behind building this was to understand the speaker tone, helps managers and stakeholders analyze the meeting dynamics, whether the discussion were positive, negative or neutral. This can help identify team morale and disagreement or engagement level. So let's see the sentiment analysis. So as you can see, these points are negative, but this last point is positive. So like with his family, great, you will come, really good idea here today, thanks for coming. If no one has anything else, let's, I think we can wrap up. So it is a kind of a positive sentence. So going to the our next feature. So we have created a Q&A chat. So with this Q&A chat, you can ask natural language questions like what was discussed about the meeting, or about anything, or like who was the assigned to the project, follow up, etc, etc. The motivation behind building this feature was like you don't have to watch a full hour long of meeting recording to find a single answer is insufficient. Our semantic search lets you ask question instantly and retrieve relevant answer from the transcript, just like chatting with a teammate who have attended the meeting. This feature is a huge time saver and makes every past meeting searchable and useful. So let's ask a question about the John that we have seen in the summary, like this. Tell me about John. As you can see, we have got a response for our question that we have asked, like tell me about the John. So we have got a response like John is a middle schooler who has been absent from the school for the 7 days already this year. So this is what we have get from the answer from the question. So that is all about our application that we have currently built on. We were looking for some future integrations. So that's it from our side. Thank you.